We all handle cash every day. Putting money in our wallet, giving it to someone, counting it fast, using an ATM, or depositing it in the bank. But if you don't do these small things the right way, you can easily lose money, look confused, or even put yourself at risk. So, in this video, I'll show you simple and safe ways to handle cash like a pro. In this video, you're going to learn 5 basic skills. These are basic skills everyone should know, so make sure you watch till the end. 1. How to keep money in your pocket wallet. Before putting money into your wallet, straighten the bills and fold them neatly. Place the bills properly in the correct slot of your wallet. It's better to keep large bills and small bills separate. Always keep your wallet in your front pocket or a secure place. Never keep loose cash in open pockets. In crowded places, keep your wallet tight and stay alert. At home, always keep your wallet in one fixed, safe spot. This way, your money stays safe in your pocket and wallet. 2. How to give money to someone safely. Before giving money to anyone, clearly confirm the amount, count the cash first so there's no mistake. Straighten the bills and hold them properly. Hand the money directly to the person, face to face. In crowded places, cover the cash while handing it over. If it's a large amount, use an envelope. After giving the cash, confirm that the correct amount was received. If needed, keep a receipt or a message as proof. This is how you give cash safely and professionally. 3. How to count money fast. To count money quickly, first, straighten and clean all the bills. Keep all the notes facing the same direction. Divide the cash into small bundles. Use your thumb and fingers to move one bill at a time. Flip each bill with a light, smooth motion. Once a bundle is complete, remember the amount. At the end, add all the bundles together. With a little practice, you'll be able to count money very fast and confidently. 4. How to withdraw money from a USA ATM machine. To withdraw money from an ATM in the USA, first, go to the ATM machine. Insert your debit card into the machine. Follow the instructions on the screen and select your language. Enter your PIN number. Choose the withdrawal option. Select your checking account. Choose the amount shown on the screen or enter a custom amount. Press confirm. The machine will dispense the cash. Take your cash. Choose whether you want a receipt or not. Finally, don't forget to take your card back. That's how you withdraw money from a USA ATM, easily. 5. How to deposit money in a bank. To deposit money into a bank, first prepare your cash and deposit slip. Write your account number and the amount clearly on the slip. Go to the bank and take a token. Wait for your turn and keep checking the screen. When your number is called, go to the counter, ... Hand over the cash and deposit slip to the teller. They will count the money carefully and deposit it into your account. The teller will stamp the slip and give you a receipt. Always keep the receipt safe, it's very important. If this video helped you understand how to handle cash the right way, make sure to like the video, comment below and tell me which tip you found most useful. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple and practical life tips. Take care of your money, and I'll see you in the next video.